Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here the Apple Watch and of course this one is the Series 10 and I'll be showing you how to do a reset on your Apple Watch. Alright, so in order to find the reset option, it's very easy. I'm going to show you to do it on the watch, then on the phone. So the first thing you want to do guys, in terms of resetting your device, is to go ahead. You can go to the settings menu. I need to unlock. Alright, so once we unlock, we're going to go to the settings menu. You can press the crown, digital crown, then go to settings, gear icon. And of course from here, we can go to general. And if you go to general right here, scroll down, there should be a reset option right here. And if you tap, you'll notice it has a bunch of options here. And there you go. From here, you have this option. Alright, and you have an option to erase the home screen layout, but the first option here is the option you're looking for. So go ahead and erase all content and settings. Also remember by doing this that you will not remove any of the security features. So for example, if you're locked out, it will simply come back after the reset. So if that's what your aim is, this will not remove any locks that you may have. Do also note that when you erase your device, if you wanted to remove the locks or activation lock, simple unpair the device right from this and remove any locks before resetting in case you're going to sell or pass on your device to another person. All right, so that's how to find it on this one. We can go back. And your phone is very similar. You're going to go to watch. Once you're in watch, you can see the menu here. Then you're going to go to general. Then of course on the general, you'll see a bunch of options. Notice there's an option to reset right here. And the watch gives you more detail. Notice it says erase Apple Watch content and settings, reset sync data, remove all mobile plans, reset home screen. So the first one is to erase the contents and settings. So go ahead and tap the first one and follow the on-screen instruction to do the complete wipe, of course, of your Apple Watch. All right, so that's how to go about doing it on your phone and on the watch. So see you the next one, guys. Bye.